Thank you.
Can you guys all hear me okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to use the mic. Thank you for the introduction, Vanessa. I was looking forward to this talk a lot until I realized how little time I had to prepare for it. So what I lack what I lack in terms of preparation, hopefully you can make up for in terms of interaction. And if something doesn't explain anything well enough, please just go ahead and ask. So just a little bit about me. By the way, can you guys see the pointer? Okay, no, it's not working so well. Yeah, so I've got an engineering background. I've been in finance, management consulting. I've been in technical roles. So that's all in the past. I left corporate. In fact, I left Sanlam in 2018. So I see two familiar faces over there. And Warren, I think I remember you as well from like 6 years ago now. And then I went to my own business and I started to pivot into technology topics like full stack development, machine learning, cybersecurity as well. Just realized it's not in there. And yeah, Bitcoin, one of my favorite topics. But these days, yeah, like I said, not so much in the senior financial industry roles, but doing a lot of AI work. I actually train machine learning models. That code you see running in the background there, that is Python, and that is very specifically machine learning code. So when it comes to training machine learning models, whether it's supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning, I do know what I'm talking about. When it comes to generative AI, so disclaimer, I've not trained any large language models or any general adversarial networks, although I've seen the code. I use these models, so I use Midjourney, I use InVideo to create videos, I use ChatGPT extensively to help me code, etc. And I understand, the transform technology behind things like ChatGPT and BERT. But yeah, so I'm not an absolute expert in generative AI, but I can talk about it enough. So hopefully we can have a meaningful conversation about that. I also do Udemy courses. I've been doing this for about a year now, so a lot of my topics there are AI courses, and yeah, I have done YouTube videos, not very good, so I'll skip that.